If your Canva team edits aren't syncing, like changes not showing up or designs looking different for each person, yeah, that can mess up your workflow fast. Let's fix it. First, do a quick refresh. Canva sometimes just needs a reset. Close the file and reopen it to force sync updates. Next, make sure everyone has a stable connection. If someone's offline or lagging, their changes won't sync properly. Also, check permissions. If someone only has view access, they won't be able to update the design. Here's a big one. Don't edit the same element at the same time. Canva can glitch or override changes if multiple users edit one item. Give Canva a second to save changes. If you move too fast or close early, updates might not sync. If you're doing big changes, duplicate the page first. This prevents overwriting someone else's work. Still not syncing? Log out and back in. This refreshes your session and fixes most sync bugs. And yeah, make sure you're using an updated browser. Old versions can cause real-time sync issues. So, refresh, check permissions, avoid editing the same thing, and keep your connection stable. That's how you fix Canva sync problems fast. Try it. It should be smooth now.